everyone. I am going to be doing a redstone tutorial on how to basically create a sort of automatic waterfall, but it may sort of lag your game, so just warning you. This is sort of, if you want to do this in a survival world, you probably need about, let me just get some stuff. Wait, I was not ready. You will need 4 repeaters. I don't know, it's like 30. Okay, 30 redstone, I guess. I'm gonna guess. I don't know for sure, but I'm just guessing. I did not get ready for this, but 4 repeaters, 30 redstone, dispenser, 3 water buckets. Let me, where is that? There is it. You'll need 3 water buckets. Okay, now you'll need 3 water buckets, 4 repeaters, 30 redstone, 3 dispensers, and you will need a redstone torch to start up the time tick. Maybe a stack of block of choice. I'm going to use dark prism as my block of choice. And I'm going to show you how. Let's start. Okay, guys. So you're going to need to build up. Just not that much. Just like this much, I guess. Actually, hold up. Let me count. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks up high. Okay, and now you're going to create a 3x3 grid by doing this. You will now place the 4 repeaters like this. Place the 30 place the redstone down. Correct me if I'm wrong with the redstone misuse. I'm sorry. You'll now do this. Okay, let's start up the tick. Start up the tick. Oh geez, hold up. Some technical difficulties. I can't even say it. Okay, let's do this. Okay, do this. I'm in sort of MCP, so it's a little hard for me to do it. No, I was too late. Do this. Break. Go do that, and just do 3 blocks, like 4 blocks, 4 blocks, and then do a dispenser like this. And now when you're down from it, let's do like, I think it failed. Wait, hold on. Why do I drop like that? Okay, it's mostly like this. Okay, dig 2 blocks down. So if you want, so reduce the tick if you want a long one. Okay, so let me place water in this. So it's gonna do that, like some sort of weird waterfall trick. You could do that, but if you reduce it, make 2 ticks, which messed it up. Okay, it may pause it real quick, so let's do that. It's gonna create, oh wait, you actually, whoops, I messed up. Hold up. Oh, whoopsie daisy. Yes. Okay, I am horrible at this. I forgot to. Also, yeah, like a stack. So I'm just gonna do like this. Do it like this, so it keeps it from the water spilling out. Like this, what just happened right there that you saw. But yeah, do this. It should be able to work, and then now attach the red, so it should possibly work. Okay, nope, I did not mean to do that. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's do this. Yes, now it'll do that. So make sure to, if it pauses, make sure to do that tick, right some time tick. if you wanted like a really long waterfall, you'll have to do 4 ticks for each repeater. Okay, now you will extend out 4 blocks and then use some redstone. Correct me if I actually said 30 and I messed up on the how much you should use. If you're good at so basically you could, if you want to like make it like a 5 block or more, you're gonna have to use redstone repeaters in order to extend the length of the power of the redstone. Do this. It should work. Okay, let's do this. Okay, 2 blocks down. Let's check for sure. Let's see. Yep, that's right. Okay. Okay, let's put this. Put another. Wait, put some redstone right there. You will need a couple. You will actually need a couple of repeaters in order to do it, but. Actually, sorry for saying 4 repeaters. Well, yeah, basically I'm just only gonna do 3 in this video, but I'm just gonna use repeaters to extend the length a bit. I'm sorry about that. Please don't, guys. Please, guys, don't do that, please. I messed up at the time. Oh, whoopsie daisy. I messed up again. I am a horrible YouTuber that doesn't even count. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, now. No, that's an empty water bucket, I think. There we go. Should do that. Okay. Now do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do this. Oh wait, not that. I'm gonna face down. And then make sure you dig a 2 block deep hole. You can do 1 if you want, but you don't have to. Okay, wait. Yep, that's direct, I think. Okay. Now you're gonna place another water bucket. Since I messed up, I'm gonna have to get a new water bucket. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, let's do this and place that. Okay, I forgot to tell you also do that. Do this. Could I block a choice to say? This. Let me fix it again. I keep on forgetting to. Let's put it back in. Okay, there we go. That's it, basically. So you just need to do that. You can cover up the redstone if you want. Okay, so guys, that's gonna be all for this today for this tutorial. If you guys want more, make sure to like, subscribe, and enjoy, I guess. And I'll see you guys in another tutorial / video or something. Alright, see you guys.